So we own a Zhiyun Crane M2, a gimbal made for smartphones, action cameras, and even mirrorless cameras. Let's say you've been mainly using it with your mirrorless cameras. For sure you have experienced the time-consuming process of changing your camera's depleted battery by removing it from the gimbal and from the base plate, then putting it all back together and then rebalancing the whole thing. Don't get me wrong, the Crane M2 is a good gimbal, but it has its shortcomings, and one of it is the base plate design. So the process of changing batteries while using the gimbal is a bit annoying. However, I have a solution for you. Smallrig. That's the company that is famous for making camera cages, has released an Arca quick release clamp made for Zhiyun Crane M2. I ordered one and let's check it out. Here are the features and cons of the product. Key features of the product. You have a quick access to the battery door of the camera without removing the plate and rebalancing it all the time. The Arca clamp secures the camera via the quick release rail on the side. The plate features scales for precise positioning and ease in balancing. However, there are cons. First, it does not come with a quick release plate. Now, if you don't have an Arca quick release plate, it is easy to find one and it would cost you around 100 to 300 pesos. Second, the clamp plus the quick release plate adds weight, but for just a tiny bit. So after using the product for 3 months now, I can say that it works well. It helped me improve my workflow when using the Crane M2 and my mirrorless camera. So if you are someone who is frugal and like shooting on a compact setup with a gimbal and a mirrorless camera, I believe this product is for you. So it's the end of the video. I just shared my thoughts about the smallrig Arca quick release clamp made for Zhiyun Crane M2. And before we end the video, let's read some comments from my previous video. So let's do some shoutouts by reading some comments from my previous video. And my previous video is about beginner's guide to film photography. First comment would be Junel Juknil. Stop motion is real, dahil mong camera lods. Haha, ikaw ang lods ko, Junil. Thank you for watching. Second comments from Mr. Possible. His comment is, great presentation, proud of you, thank you. Next is iPhone Films from Maru, Idol. Pauser ang idol ko. By the way, shoutout sa Raska Dudes. And then the next comment is from Miguel Brian. AE1 Ye, nice and informative video. Thank you. Yes, AE1 shooter here. So that's it. This is Earl. I'm out and see you again on the next one. Peace.